Want to transform your static Google Slides into a dynamic storytelling experience that keeps your audience hooked? Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Slides presentation and select the slide where you want the text to appear one by one. Make sure you have your text boxes already in place, like this title and a few bullet points. Click on the text box you want to animate first. For example, let's start with the first bullet point. Now, go to the Animate button in the toolbar. It might be hidden under the three dots. For more, click it, and the animation pane will open on the right. Click Add Animation. A drop-down menu will appear with different animation options. Choose an entrance animation like appear, fade in, or fly in, whatever you think looks best. Under the animation settings, change the Start on Click option to After Previous. This will make the text appear automatically after the previous element. If it's the first element, leave it on click or select After Previous. Now, select the next text box you want to animate and repeat the process. Click Add Animation, choose your entrance effect, and set the Start option to After Previous. Keep repeating these steps for each text box you want to animate. Each animation will be added to the animation pane, and the text will appear in the order you set them. And that's it. Now, when you present your slideshow, the text will appear one by one, keeping your audience engaged and focused on each point as you reveal it. This is a simple yet powerful technique to make your presentations more captivating. Happy presenting!